Welcome to Taraba News, the voice of Tarabans. The headline: Senator Jimkuta appeals for additional funds to expedite the Ibi Bridge construction. In a press statement released by the senator representing Taraba South, Honorable David S.U. Jimkuta, he assured constituents that all hands will be on deck to see that the construction work on the Ibi Bridge resumes urgently. This came shortly after his attention was drawn to a widely circulated post on social media in which the community liaison officer for Ibi Bridge called attention to the suspension of construction work on the bridge. After expressing his sincere gratitude and commendation to the liaison officer and indeed constituents for their relentless efforts in seeing that this matter receives the desired attention, he assured constituents that he will collaborate with RCC to address these challenges promptly. He submits that as the senator representing the entire southern zone, he has proactively taken steps in collaboration with Honorable Prince Ayuba Zaku Dampa, member representing Ukari Ibi Federal Constituency, to see that construction work on the bridge resumes urgently. Taraba News gathered that they had a meeting with the Honorable Minister of Works, Engineer David Umahi, where they explained the situation at the bridge site and appealed for additional funds to expedite the construction. The minister has assured them of his commitment to work with RCC for the successful completion of the project. He added that they were aware of the potential dangers posed by the partially constructed pillars both on and offshore. According to him, the threats of lives and economic activities in the community have motivated them to take responsibility by engaging with the appropriate authorities to ensure the bridge's completion. Meanwhile, he charged the constituents to be rest assured that he will not rest until the bridge is completed and commissioned. He also urged them to remain calm during this critical period surrounding the Ibi Bridge construction. Finally, he expressed his heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Dr. Abu Kefas, the Executive Governor of Taraba State, His Royal Majesty Manu Ishaku Ada Ali Akuka of Ukari, the Matakin Twin, His Royal Highness Salihu Abubakar Dambawuru, Chief of Ibi, all other traditional rulers, political leaders and constituents for their tireless efforts in ensuring the completion of the bridge and unwavering cooperation.